guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop 4-pan palettes. We have new little palettes and I have the little card right here. It's so cute. It's like in the shape of the actual little palettes. I am actually kind of excited about these. I feel like these are going to get mixed reviews. Either you're going to like them and you will use them, or you're gonna think that they're boring. I feel like there's not really any in between, but I'm excited for them because as of lately I've just been super busy and I just don't even have like the time to even like play around with makeup. So these like little eyeshadow palettes are definitely coming through for me lately, so I'm excited for them. I'm gonna be doing swatches of the palettes, showing you guys some close-ups. You guys know the drill. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I didn't do like a full-on tutorial, but I did show you the eye look that I came up with today using one of the palettes. I have to start work in like 30 minutes, so I'm like trying to get this done before I have to work. If you guys missed my last couple of videos, I am working like pretty much full time right now, so I have to film like when I have like extra time. So I woke up super early today. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm filming this because these will be launching when you guys are watching this on April 15th at 10 a.m. PST. I'll make sure to get this video up a little bit before the actual launch time, but as always, you guys can use my code. It's just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. They're kind of like the same size as the Animal Crossing ones. I don't have the Animal Crossing ones right here with me right now, but I'll insert a little clip to show you guys like side by side the size comparison. I feel like these are actually pretty good like size for like traveling or just like throwing something in your bag. They are that same plastic as the long ones, like that same kind of like sturdy plastic. It's not like a cheap plastic, and it does like snap close. It's not like just swinging open and stuff, you know. There are 6 quads. I have them all right here. I actually really like the packaging. I'm glad they went with that like clear acrylic. It's not really plastic. Is it a plastic? Is it acrylic? I don't know. But I'm glad they went with this like design. You guys can see the colors right in the front and you don't have to like open them to see like which color is which. The boxes themselves are all like color coordinated to the palettes. They also have like this really pretty like gradient on them. I'm not sure of the prices of these yet. I'm assuming they might be the same or around the price of the Animal Crossing ones. Actually, I don't remember how much the Animal Crossing ones were. I think they were a little up in price because I think it was a collab, so maybe a little bit less, or maybe like around the price of the 5 pans, which are $10. When I do find out the price, I will leave that down below in the description box. So let me show you guys each palette, and I will do some swatches and close-ups of the palettes as well. We have 6 of them right here. Like they're all kind of like not basic, but like familiar color stories, but in like this little 4-pan formula or 4-pan design. Not really formula. I feel like the formulas throughout Colourpop are pretty consistent. I'm all laid out right here. So the first one we have is Sorbet, and this one, I think this is honestly one of my favorites. This one is a little bit more on the cool tone side. It's like more cool tone mauves, plums. And that's what this one looks like. There are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers in each palette. There are no pressed glitters in any of them, so I know you guys will be happy about that. I like that there are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers because I feel like that's just equally balanced, where you can create a look with all the shades in here. So that is Sorbet. Next one we have is Creamsicle, and this is actually the one that I have on right now. This one is a lot more like peachy pink, very creamsicle colors. Again, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. I really like this one a lot. This was definitely one of the ones that caught my eye. I saw my friends dupe that, swatch them yesterday, and I was like, yeah, that one definitely catches my eye. I usually like either really like the peachy pink shades, or I just don't at all. I feel like this is actually really nice, like creamsicle, orangey, peachy pink type of tones, where it's not too orange, it's not too pink. It's like really nice and in between. So this one that we have is Mocktail, and this one is a lot more like orangey, very warm tone. We have 2 like warm tone like crease and outer corner or like deepening shades, and then 2 like pretty warm lid shades, or like shimmers, not lid shades. I use them as lid shades, but you guys can use them however you want. I'm sure most of you guys will use them as lid shades, where I feel like the other 2 have like pretty like light lid shades, whereas these ones have like a gold and like a darker like corally orange color. So that one is Mocktail. Next 3 are pretty much all like neutral. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite neutral one, and that one is Sparkler. I feel like I'll get the most use out of this one. Like I just really like the shades in here. We have like a darker brown color and like a really deep brown as well, like a nice, it's not super warm, it's like more of a, like I would say like a more neutral chocolatey brown. And then the lid shades in here are really, really pretty. I love the lid shades in here. I really like this one a lot. I think this one is a really pretty color story. So that one is Sparkler. Next one that we have is Citrus Fizz, and this one is a lot more lighter. Honestly, I really like this one too because I feel like I could probably use this one day to day. We have like a peachy beige like transition crease color, and then like a little bit more of a darker like mid-tone brown to like deepen up the crease or something. And then the two lid shades I love. We have like a really nice like champagne gold in here, and then like another like really nice gold lid shade. I really like this one a lot. And that one is Citrus Fizz. And the last one that we have is Cream Soda, and this one is a little bit more on the neutral side. It's a lot lighter. Honestly, I feel like if you have like really fair skin, I feel like this would be a really pretty palette to just throw on every single day. A really like light beigey crease transition shade, and then like a nice like beige tan crease color. The lid shades in here are really pretty. We have like a champagne-y color, and then like a really pretty like pinky rose gold shade. So that one is Cream Soda. Little card, it says the amazing shadow finishes in each palette are glitter metallic, which is a brand new dimensional finish loaded with pearlescent pigments, which I think that might be one of the shades that I used on my eyes. I can really tell the difference. It has like this really pretty like sparkly look to it, so I'm guessing that might be the glitter metallics. And then they just have like the regular metallics and mattes, and the mattes in here are actually really nice. Like I said, this video is gonna be a little bit different than my other Colourpop videos. I'm just gonna give you like my review right now since they are pretty like, you know, simple palettes. I didn't want to do like a full-on tutorial for this look because it's pretty simple, but I will put that clip in right here. I give you guys my review. So I definitely think that these are I feel like they're actually really nice. I really like the formula, and I definitely feel like Colourpop just has been killing their formulas lately. Like they have just gotten better and better each time. These ones blend it out like a dream. They're really, really nice. They just blend it out like butter basically. The shimmers in here are really nice. Glitter metallic shade, I'm pretty sure that was like the one that I was using on my lid. It looks super pretty. Like when the light hits it, it has like this really nice sparkle to it, and I think it's really pretty. Like I said earlier, these aren't like the most like crazy exciting color stories, but I think for the type of product that it is, like a little 4-pan, something like this, I think it actually works out pretty well. I feel like these are definitely like on the go, just throw in your bag, kind of like go-to essential kind of palettes like that. And I think the color story works for it because it's just kind of one of those things that you would use like on an everyday basis, or just like, you know, to keep in your makeup bag or something, and you kind of want those like everyday essential colors. So I feel like the color stories, while they aren't like the most exciting, I feel like they fit for what the palette is itself. Like it actually might work a little bit better now than maybe like say if these like launched during like a really big like crazy like big palette colorful makeup type of situation time in like the beauty community, where I feel like right now a lot of people are just kind of like, I just want to do like my normal everyday routine. I don't like doing anything crazy, like just need to get my makeup and get it done, and that's it. That's how I've been feeling lately. I've just been doing like super natural makeup a lot, and I'm just like, I don't have the time to play around with like huge palettes and stuff anymore. Like I've said before, I really like more smaller compact palettes. If you guys watch my channel at all, you guys know that I've been using the Fenty Beauty snap shadows in true neutrals pretty much every time I do my makeup. I literally like don't use another palette anymore. It's just because it has everything that I need in this one palette, and since it's so thin and compact, it fits like in my purse. I like little palettes like these. So actually even right now, since I like have to go to the office and stuff during like for work and stuff, sometimes I will take like my little makeup bag, and like this is like the bag that I take right now. Like these just fit perfect in there. They like are super, super nice and like compact. So if you are like somebody on the go and you just need like to take a palette or something with you, or even two of them still won't take up a lot of space, I would definitely take Citrus Fizz and like Sparkler together, and this is literally like all I would need. But even just like if I was going somewhere during the day, this one, Citrus Fizz, would cover it. Like I don't really need anything else. It has a crease color, a deepening shade, 2 lid shades. I can even use like this deeper one even like to do a quick little liner, or even use like a brow pencil and do liner. Like I'm just all about like fast, easy makeup these days, so this is like right up my alley. I'm super happy, and like I said, they are like that nice like sturdy acrylic plastic packaging, so I don't think they'll get like messed up like being thrown around in like a bag or something. I'm actually going to put Citrus Fizz in my little makeup bag that I have all my stuff in here because I think it's perfect. It's like a really perfect little thing to throw in there. Like I said earlier, I feel like it's gonna be either people think that they're like boring, or people are gonna think that these are like great to just throw in your bag if you're like on the go, have to go to work, or just like are like me and you just don't have like the time to even like play around with other makeup and you just kind of do like pretty much the same look every day like I do. This is perfect because it has like what you need. Hope that Colourpop comes out with some more color stories of these. I would like to see some more like colorful ones down the line. I definitely think that these were great starter ones because it really gives like that vibe of like the basics, you know? So I feel like just starting off, I feel like this was actually a really nice color story, and I feel like all of them will work on a variety of different skin tones, whether it be like fair to light to medium to even deeper skin tones. I definitely think that this one will look really pretty on deeper skin tones, even this one as well. I think that would look really nice. Hope that they do like come out with more, like maybe like some more pinks or like reds or like, you know, colorful ones. I would really like to see that because even though I still am like in my very like natural makeup phase right now, like I just don't have the time to do anything else. I still like playing with colorful makeup, but I like to have everything like in a little compact palette. So that's why I like the 9-pan palettes so much, because they have everything that I need in like a monochromatic kind of thing. That is my little review on the new Colourpop quads. Like I said, they are launching today when you guys are watching this, April 15th at 10 a.m. PST. Don't forget, you guys can use my code to save some money off. I'll leave that down below, and I will link everything down below for you guys as well. Leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about these palettes. Are you guys going to pick them up? Do you like the concept of them? I hear your guys' thoughts. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.